Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to join Toilet Tower Defense Discord server. In order to do it, first of all, open Discord. You need to scroll all the way down your server list, and in the bottom you will see this plus icon, which is add the server button. Just click on it and click join a server button right here. And in the invite link, you need to write exactly same thing, guys, exactly same thing. Discord.gg slash, and I will just paste this code here. So you need to write exactly same thing, which is discord.gg slash capital S, lowercase r, lowercase n, capital Q, lowercase t, 2, lowercase y, uppercase d, lowercase e, and uppercase z. Guys, you need to write exactly same thing, and you need to click a join server button right here. Once you will do it, you will automatically join the Toilet Tower Defense server. You don't have to do any verification, guys. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons if this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video.